Hi and welcome to another Shelley Savings video. Well, we're doing another cheap weekend basically, and as we know, I love walking after our Daisy Hill walk. And this week I've got people with me. We're doing a family walk. This is an 8.5 kilometre walk in the Washpool National Park. It's the Washpool bushwalking track, I think it was called. There's falls. Oh. He wants us to have a look behind us at the creek. So we've got some lovely falls, we've got cedar trees, there's a lookout. It should take 3.5 hours, but because we have Alex with us, we're probably looking out 4 or 5 hours, which is why we've packed a lunch and made a day trip. And like all my cheap ideas, now this isn't completely free. There is an $8 fee for your car to come into this national park. But other than that $8, all you have to do is pack a lunch, put on some running shoes, and go for a walk. So I thought I'd bring you along and you can check out this gorgeous walk and how you can get out and about and have a cheap, fun weekend with the family. Washpool map where we're going. And we've got a short loop.
Which way are we going to go? Which way are we going to go?
And we're going to take this walk. Off we go. So this gives you a bit of an idea. We had bushfires a few months ago, and this is a beautiful rainforest area, which has never seen bushfires before. So this gives us an idea of, this is just the edge of where it got and then stopped. So I think we're going to see a bit of bushfire action on this walk. Let's have a look at our map. Looking at tall timbers.
Oh, we're at the. Oh, there's no more park. This is the end. Wow. Now, tall timbers this way. Car park 6.1.
And this is where we go down, the pathway. Well, look, this shows where we are. And we want to go to the cedars, so they're a little bit more further.
Not too far to go.
And then we'll have a break.
So we've walked from here, Alex, all the way along here, all the way up here to here. Now there's some falls there, we go to see those. The cedars is not far.
Not far, we're going to go down this way.
First step on that. So,
go for it. Yeah, it's perfect.
My dad said, is it safe?
It is safe. Here we go. And a red cedar.
Where's the red cedar?
one there, one there.
Yeah, we'll have a break.
About 48 metres and a trunk diameter around 2 metres. cedar has no equal as a material for furniture, cabinets, panelling, staircases and other interior decoration. The colour of the mature wood is a deep red, annual growth, rings, embellish it, easily polished surface.
So as you can see, we've gotten past all the bushfire damage and we're back in this beautiful rainforest. We passed the red cedars, which are absolutely gorgeous and humongous. And now we're just doing a walk through to a lookout, which is probably another couple of kilometres. Most of it's been uphill so far, but not too bad. And this is a beautiful walk. I definitely recommend the Washpool National Park walk. And I haven't even got halfway through it yet. I'm hoping I'll be able to come back maybe another year and see how that bushfire area's gone. But otherwise we're going to keep going. Looks like we've reached the falls.
My stick is what I'm... Oh. Don't you hold that?
Alex, come on.
About the falls.
What do you like about the falls? These nice falls?
It's because the water's nice and dry and wet.
And wet. Have you liked the walk? And cold? Have you liked the walk so far?
Yeah. Because of all the walking, I don't like walking.
But did you like the falls? Is it lovely? It's very pretty, isn't it?
Me too.
So we're just coming to our last 700 metres of the Washpool National Park walk. So we've done nearly 8 kilometres. We had our lunch down at Summit Falls and it's 3 hours and 41 minutes. So that's including stopping for lunch. So we've done really well because they recommend 3.5 hours and we've done it with a 6-year-old, and we were a lot slower than we would have been if we didn't have him. So I say if you're a healthy adult, you could probably do it in 2 hours if you really wanted to.
Yeah.
So I highly recommend Washpool Park Walk.
You mean,
And like I said, this is a great way to get out. Not many costs. Throw some food in a backpack, off you go. Enjoy some of this beautiful Australian rainforest, and you also had a normal forest. So I highly recommend checking out some bushwalks near your home. Go online, have a look, find out what's on, put on some runners, go for a walk. It doesn't even have to be 8.5 kilometres, just a 2-kilometre walk. Get you out of the house, kids get an adventure, and you have a great time. Well, thank you for watching our Shelley Savings video. If you'd like to see more of my videos, why not subscribe to my channel down below? And thank you for watching Shelley Savings. Have a great weekend.